Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making some protein bites. Be a nice little dessert type snack that's going to be a little lower in carbs than say a candy bar. These are going to be made with only 3 ingredients and hopefully they turn out good. Let's get started. I am starting with 1.5 cups of peanut butter powder. I am using a 1/2 cup scoop, so I want to add 3 of these to my bowl. Ooh, don't want to go overboard there. Next, I am adding 1 of these little cups of it's a 4-ounce cup of unsweetened applesauce. If you choose, you could use sweetened. Now I just want to mix all of this together. It should be a pretty doughy consistency. It might take a little bit of effort to get this mixed up well. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this was pretty rough. I ended up having to use my hands and knead it until it would mix together. So now I have like this little clump of dough. I'm gonna divide this in about probably 8 different little balls. I'm gonna take probably 1/4 or so cup of these 0 sugar chocolate chips and I'm gonna melt them in the microwave. This, if you want to, you could put these balls in the freezer and freeze them. They are pretty stiff. I think I will be able to chocolate coat them just fine without having to freeze them first. Once your chocolate's melted, just roll your little peanut butter balls in the chocolate, coat them. Then you can put them in the refrigerator or the freezer and eat as you want. I'll show you what these look like once the chocolate sets back. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!